Hey wild ones, we are checking in on the veg on the edge of the parking lot today. Let's see how big everything's been getting since the last time we took a look. Alright, that was the box that had the evil cutworm. Destroyed tomatoes and peppers. It was so sad. So nasturtiums have moved in and they're doing okay. We have so many tomato plants that some of them are way over here. And then let's start scrolling down and see who all is here. Holy cow. Will you look at the size of the silvery fir tomatoes? Oh, they're so cool. Next, so you long cucumbers getting very big. More tomatoes. Okay, have to show off these Space Master cucumbers. I just love these guys. Look, there's one there. And there's another one started up there. Ah, fabulous lunchbox peppers. Scrolling along, more peppers. Ooh, that's a Japanese climbing cucumber. Can't wait to see it start climbing. All right, pepperoncini, hot burrito peppers, all kinds of tomatoes, Tiny Tim's, chocolate stripes, Chinese 5 colors. Yes, the veg on the edge is doing just great. Remember to bloom where you planted, wild ones. Things are going to get spicy. It's why you are here. Love y'all. Bye.